Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Vtech VM320pu baby monitor. Let's get started. First, flip the monitor over and use a Phillips head PH1 screwdriver to loosen the cover screw. Then, use a pry tool, pry along the edge to open the back cover. Remove the old battery and replace it with the Cameron Sino CS-MTP481MB battery. Once the new battery is in place, snap the back cover back on and fasten the screw securely. And that's it, you've successfully replaced the battery in your Vtech VM320pu baby monitor. Thank you for watching.